membeku, kaca di mobilnya jadi es. Oh. Mau jadi es. Temperatur 0 derajat. Ini ramenya orang antre burger aja. Ini burgernya yang antre tadi, yang terkenal katanya. Wow, itu sudah 113 orderannya dengan harga $29 New Zealand. Oh, ini orangnya yang bikin burger.
Gonna go gondola ride. Harga tiketnya berapa tadi Ci? 60.
60.
enthusiasm out there, I like it. Don't worry, there's not too much audience participation. My name is Matt, I'm one of the wildlife keepers here at the park. I'm doing the show for you all. Bit of a celebration of some of the amazing wildlife that we have here in New Zealand. Also give you guys some pretty easy tips and tricks how you can help out with your own conservation back home, whether you're from here in New Zealand or anywhere else in the world for that matter. Now, and she is one of our juvenile tuatara here at the park. And the name tuatara means peaks on the back in Te Reo Māori. You can see right from the base going into right now. It's a state called torpor, a bit like an extreme form of hibernation. So it's a bit like going to sleep. High five? Mm-hmm. So when the weather gets too cold, these guys hunker down in a nice cozy burrow, basically about that animal. So a lot of these pet owners who are buying a locally, coming home from school or from work to absolute carnage and destruction at home. Noise complaints from the neighbours, torn up couches, torn up curtains, the absolute works. It was only at this point they started to do everything to find a home for the fellas here. They did the easy thing. They opened up their windows, simply let their lorikeets out into our forests. Now, never a very nice thing to do with pets in the first place, especially in the North Island where the climate's a bit warmer for them. They started forming flocks in their hundreds and even thousands. Ta-da! So this is Terry. She is our terrible tired taxidermy kiwi. Did I fool anyone? No? So we promise we do have the real thing, but kiwi are a nocturnal bird, not only that, terrified of the light. It wouldn't be very nice of me to bring one out during the middle of the day, but having this is about the same as a human giving birth to a 17 kilogram or 36 pound baby in her body for anything else. So we think it's fair enough, once mum has laid this enormous egg, that's actually her job done. That's the only part of parenting she gets involved in. Now it's dad's turn to take over. His cousins are causing out in the wild. Now, does anyone know why possums were introduced to New Zealand in the first place? Yes?
Fur trade?
Fur trade, absolutely. So, otherwise known as a New Zealand wood pigeon in English, and he might just be the biggest pigeon you've ever seen. They are the 4th largest pigeon species in the world. So he'd like you to know he is not fat, he is simply big boned. But it is this. Luckily though, here in Queenstown, we've got a fairly healthy population of these guys. And if you are trying to spot them out in the wild, you can usually hear them before you see them. Now I'm sure you've noticed as Connie's doing these little flights between Maddie and I, they do have pretty loud and heavy wing beats. So the tips of his
Hello.
Hello,
Morning.
how you going?
Fine. And you?
I'm
Good.
great.
Okay.
Hi, Vern. Hi, Vern.
Okay, thank you.
Sini kita nyewa peralatan main ski dan prepare di sini sebelumnya.
You'll get access to the Meadow Express here. So you won't get any access to Coronet Express, unfortunately. But I think if you're a first timer, Magic Carpets will be good. And then the Meadow Express from 12:30 if you wish.
Kau memang dari planet yang bikin keburi. Kok alamnya kayak gitu kan keren.
Oh. Oh.
Kakaknya pernah belajar. Ibu ini latih sama di Korea.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. Drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, and tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying. 4 years no calls, now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop. No, I can't stop.
Jangan tegang, jangan tegang. Ini tegang.
thing. Stay and play that Blink 182 song that we beat to death in Tucson, okay? I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car and 4 years no calls. Now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder, has the sheets right off the corner of the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older. We ain't ever getting older.
View dapurnya ada buah apel.